How to send your Telegram profile QR code. Hello digital family. In today's video we'll show you how you can send your Telegram profile QR code. This way your friends and family can find you more easily. You can send the QR code on any other social network or app. Let's get started. Open the Telegram app. Click on 3 horizontal lines. Click on Profile Picture. Click on the QR code icon at the top of the screen. There you'll see the QR code for your profile. You can change the QR code color as desired. After that, click on Share QR code to send it to someone. As you can see, you can send the QR code through different apps. We chosen Telegram. Select the contact or group you're sending it to. Click on the arrow and your QR code is sent. We hope you liked the tutorial. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.